Before taking Upadacitinib Er 15 mg tablet extended release 24 hours, make sure to read the medication guide provided by your pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth as directed by your doctor, usually once daily. Do not crush, chew, or split the tablets, as this can increase the risk of side effects. It's important to take this medication at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. The dosage of Upadacitinib Er 15 mg tablet extended release 24 hours is based on your medical condition, response to treatment, age, and other medications you may be taking. Be sure to inform your doctor and pharmacist about all the products you use. Do not increase your dose or use this drug more often or for longer than prescribed, as it will not improve your condition any faster and may increase the risk of side effects. It is advised to avoid eating grapefruit or drinking grapefruit juice while using this medication, as it can increase the chance of side effects. If your condition does not improve or gets worse, be sure to inform your doctor. If you experience nausea or headache while taking Upadacitinib Er 15 mg tablet extended release 24 hours, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. In some cases, you may notice a tablet or partial tablets in your stool, especially if you have certain intestinal disorders. Be sure to inform your doctor if you notice this. While using this medication, you may experience serious side effects. However, your doctor has determined that the benefits of taking this medication outweigh the potential risks. Your doctor will monitor your condition closely to minimize the risk of side effects. Be sure to seek immediate medical attention if you experience any serious side effects, such as signs of anemia, liver disease, or a serious tear in the stomach or intestinal wall. In the event of sudden vision changes or symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, seek medical help right away. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. If you're in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Upadacitinib, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues. Additionally, it's important to discuss your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist, especially if you have a history of blood clots, cancer, heart problems, liver disease, infections, smoking, stomach or intestinal issues, stroke, or kidney disease. It's also important to note that Upadacitinib can increase your risk of getting infections or worsen current infections. Be cautious around anyone with a contagious infection and talk to your doctor if you have been exposed to an infection or need more information. Before receiving any immunizations or vaccinations, be sure to inform your healthcare professional that you are using Upadacitinib. You should also avoid contact with people who have recently received live vaccines. If you are an older adult, you may be at a greater risk for side effects while using this medication. For women, it's important to discuss pregnancy and birth control with your doctor before using Upadacitinib. It is not recommended to become pregnant while using this medication, and reliable forms of birth control should be used during treatment and for 4 weeks after the last dose. If you are breastfeeding, it is not recommended to use this medication as it is unknown if it passes into breast milk. Be sure to consult your doctor before breastfeeding while using Upadacitinib. It's important to note that drug interactions can potentially impact how your medications work or increase the risk of serious side effects. This is why it's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. They can provide guidance on any potential interactions and help you make any necessary adjustments to your medication regimen. It's also worth mentioning that other medications can affect the removal of Upadacitinib from your body, which in turn may impact how Upadacitinib works. Some examples of these medications include rifampin, phenytoin, among others. Always consult with your healthcare provider to ensure the safe and effective use of Upadacitinib Er 15 mg tablet, extended release 24 hours. If you or someone else has taken too much Upadacitinib Er 15 mg tablet extended release 24 hours and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention. In the US, you can call the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while in Canada, residents can reach out to their provincial poison control center for assistance. It's important not to share this medication with anyone else. While taking Upadacitinib Er 15 mg tablet extended release 24 hours, you may need to undergo regular medical tests to monitor your liver function, blood count, cholesterol levels, and skin health. Make sure to attend all scheduled medical and lab appointments. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Do not take 2 doses to make up for the missed one. It's important to store Upadacitinib Er 15 mg tablet, extended release 24 hours in its original bottle in the refrigerator or at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Be sure to keep it out of the bathroom and away from children and pets. When it comes to disposing of the medication, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. If you have any questions about proper disposal, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.